Current conditions 12 degrees Celsius.
5 o'clock AM Eastern Daylight Time, June 10.
The wind direction north-northwest. The wind speed 15 kilometers per hour. Tonight as of May 11, 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Tonight.
Partly cloudy.
The wind direction east 20 kilometers per hour, becoming light this evening. Low 9 degrees Celsius. Thursday. A mix of sun, cloud. The wind speed becoming southeast 20 kilometers per hour in the afternoon. High 23 degrees Celsius except 17 degrees Celsius near Lake Ontario. UV index 7, alright. Thursday night mainly cloudy.
Showers beginning early in the evening.
Ending after midnight. Risk of a thunderstorm in the evening. After midnight.
The wind direction south 20 kilometers per hour, becoming west 20 kilometers per hour after midnight.
Low 13 degrees Celsius. Friday.
A mix of sun,
Cloud.
high 20 degrees Celsius. Friday night cloudy periods with 60% chance of showers.
Low 8 degrees Celsius.